Let's talk about exponential graph. Alright. So, usually we had like 2x minus 7 or like y equals like x squared minus 5x plus 6 or something like that. Okay. Difference between this and this. See, x is in power place, so which is exponent. That's why we call this one exponential graph. Alright, so exponential graph or exponential function. Alright, that's it. Alright, let's talk about this one. Alright. The easiest way I recommend you is we make the table, right? Okay, just like this. So anybody can do this. Here I just put x value. Then automatically we're gonna get y value, right? Okay. So we call x value, which is original value, we call domain. So finally we get outcome, which is y, we call the range, right? Okay, we talk about those later. Anyway, x can be any negative number to 0 and positive numbers, right? So I just use 0 here. How about that? So then automatically goes higher to positive 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Okay, what about negative side? That's right, negative 1, see, negative 2. Alright. So, then how much we're going to get for y value? That's right. So, in this case, we use 0 first. How about that? So, y equals 2 to the 0 power. Okay, y equals 2 to the first power, 2 to the second power, see, 2 to the third power, and 2 to the fourth power, and so on. So now, how about this? Okay, 2 to the negative first power, okay, 2 to the negative second power, and so on. Alright, the value, what is 2 to the 0 power? Which is 1. That's right. Now, 2 to the first power? 2. That's right. 2 to the second power, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the fourth power, 16. So on. Like, from here, double, double, double. So the other way around, okay, so half of this is 8, half of 8 is 4, half of 4 is 2, half of 2 is 1. What is half of 1 then? That's right. Obviously this one is 1 over 2, right? Okay. So what about this one? Half of half. Oh, 1/4. That's right. Alright. So we plug these values right here. Okay, 2 to the 0 power, which is 1. 2 to the first power, 2. 2 to the second power, 4. 8, 16, 32, so on. Alright, what about this? Okay, negative power means still the total value going to be positive anyway. So this value is just the exponent value. So this is half, right? Okay. What about this? Half of half, which is 1 over 4, which is 1/4. Alright, so on. We can plot this one on graph paper, right? Alright. Again, one more time. Okay, 2 to the 0 power is 1. 2 to the first power is a 2. 2 to the second power. 2 to the third power. 2 to the fourth power. And 2 to the fifth power. And so on. Alright. Negative first power. Okay, negative 1 power, which is 1 over 2, right? Okay, 1 over 2. So, what about this? Negative second power, which is 1 over 4. What about this? 1 over 8. See, look at this one. This is 1, 2, 4, 8. What about 1, 2, 4, 8? Actually, reciprocal of this or this. Alright. So, hey, we can plot this one on graph paper. Alright. So, origin right here. The origin. Okay. Then I can say maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Alright. Then, here I can say maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, what about negative side? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Alright. So now, here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Alright. What about this one is y. This one is x. Okay. So, 0. That means the x value is 0 right here. See? Then, y value will be 1. Alright. 1 right there. See? So, actually, here we go. Alright. Okay. Now, what about 1? X value is 1. Y is 2, right? Y is 2. So then here, see, all the way. Okay. Right there. Alright. So, what about 2? Then, up to 4. Okay. What about 3? 3, then 8. 8 is somewhere over there. Alright, see? It's just like this. See? Then, what about negative side? Negative 1 is going to be half. Right? Okay, see? 1 over 2. So, what about negative 2? Oh, half of that one. So, it's right in the middle of this 2 points right there. Then what about negative 3? Oh, another half. Half. Oh man, half forever. Actually, this is not gonna touch x-axis. Alright? So never touch this one. So we call what? That's right. Asymptote. Okay. So we call this one asymptote. Okay. Asymptote. Alright. Then we just connect this dot. Okay. From maybe from here. Okay. So yep. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at that. Alright. Okay. See. Just like that. See? Oh, never touch this line right here. Okay. So this one we call exponential graph. Okay. So actually we can see. Okay. Let's try this 6 graphs. Alright. So the first one, so yeah, we did this one just now. Okay, actually 2 to the x power. That's right. It goes through 1 right there. That's 1. Then looks like what? That's right. So we did this one, see? Just like that. Asymptote right there. Haha. Okay, what about 3 to the x power? Oh man, you have a bigger number here in the base. Okay, then actually the same thing. This one go through 1. Okay, 1. This one also 1. Okay, right there. Okay, but this one is more closer to y-axis. That's it. See? More curve. What if this number is smaller? Then this one obviously look like that. Like this. You know what I mean? The dull curve. This one is sharper curve. Alright? So, what about here? Okay, 2 to the negative x power. See, you change the x, okay, to the negative sign. That means this is going to be y. Okay, y right here. Okay, this one is x. So x was positive. Look at this one. It's the positive to negative. That means the left to right business. Okay, so that means this one's still going through 1 right there. 1. Okay, but this time this is going to be x is negative. That's why positive x. See, look at this one. Positive x go to the left hand side. Then negative side going to the right. Okay, that means exactly the same picture, but exchange left to right. Okay, that's it. So it looks like this. Like that. All right. Okay, this time, what about this one? Yeah, sharper. Okay, because the bigger number on the base. Okay, bigger the base is, then we have sharper the graph is. Okay, so right here, same thing, but very close. See, very sharp. Ooh, like that. All right. So this one still 1 right there. Okay, what about this? Then this is a total. See, total value. See, total value is negative now. That's why total value means what? That's y. Y is going to be positive to negative, negative to positive. All right. So we change this one to, all we have to do is the same as that one on the top. Okay, but negative 1 right here. Oh, look at that. See, it's going to be negative 1. Then flip over the top picture. Okay, which is just like that. Just like that. See? What about this? Okay, this one. Oh, so negative on x, negative on y. Okay, you change both. Okay, flip twice then. Okay, then you originally it was right here, right? But flip over twice. What does that mean? Okay, that means originally it was like this. Okay, like that on one. Then flip over, so it's going to be just like that. Then flip on this one more time on x-axis. Okay, so then automatically this is going to be negative 1, but just like that. So actually you just put solid line on this. That's it. Okay, so man, so easy. All right, so very interesting.